Everybody is talking about creatine on the internet, but nobody tells you how it affects the muscles, your kidneys, your liver, and the overall body. So the creatine is already produced by your liver, your kidneys, and your pancreas. And 95% of the creatine is used by the muscles. Only 5% is used by the combination of brain, liver, kidneys, and testes. So what happens when you take creatine? 95% of it gets absorbed into the muscles, and through osmosis, more water from the gut gets pulled into the muscles. That's why your muscles feel much more fuller, much more stiffer after you start taking creatine. If you take your creatine with the carbohydrates, specifically your meal, in that case, more creatine gets pulled into the muscles because the insulin that is produced by the carbohydrates actually helps in the transfer of creatine from your gut to the muscles. What are the effects of creatine on the brain? There are many claims on the internet that you should start taking creatine if you have started to grow older. It will help you to improve the cognitive function. But the research specifically does not suggest this. It will have much more smaller effect on the brain as compared to your muscles. You might have much more better results with cognitive function if you start doing balancing exercises or some mental exercises which will help you to exercise the brain, which will help you to keep the brain more sharper.